In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about waterproofing new construction so your place stays dry and damage-free from day one. Alright, so first things first, when you're working on waterproofing new construction, you gotta start with a solid plan. Make sure the foundation is prepped right. That means sloping the ground away from the house to keep water from pooling near the walls. Next, use a high-quality waterproof membrane on the foundation walls. This stuff is like a shield against moisture sneaking in. Don't forget about sealing all the joints and seams carefully, because even the tiniest gap can lead to leaks later on. Another big tip is installing proper drainage systems, like French drains or weeping tiles, to channel water away from the structure. Ventilation matters too. Keeping crawl spaces and basements aired out helps prevent mold and mildew. Also, be sure to inspect your gutters and downspouts. These need to direct water far from your home's base. Lastly, choose materials that resist water damage, like treated lumber or concrete with waterproof additives, so everything holds up better over time. One of the most common mistakes with waterproofing new construction is skipping proper site grading. If the ground doesn't slope away, water's gonna pool and cause trouble no matter what else you do. Another issue I see a lot is poor sealing of foundation cracks and seams. Just slapping on a membrane won't cut it if the edges aren't sealed tight. And third, people often overlook installing effective drainage systems. Without these, water has nowhere to go but into your basement or crawl space. Fixing these is pretty straightforward though. Get your grading right from the start, use quality sealants on all joints, and make sure you have a drainage plan that actually works. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners looking to get waterproofing done right. They connect you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to find new projects and grow their business without all the hassle of hunting for clients. If you want your new build to stay dry and comfy for years, nailing waterproofing early on is key. You'll save so much headache down the road, trust me.